Hi! This tutorial is for people with group admin rights on Skills Builder Benchmark. Depending on your setting, group admins are usually mentors, tutors or line managers. In this video, we're going to show you how to set an assessment period for your learners. Once logged in, go to the admin dashboard. Click the Assessment Periods tab, then click Add New Assessment Period. A box will appear on your screen. All the required fields are marked with a star. Name your assessment period, then pick a start and end date. Next, select the group you want to assess by choosing it from the drop-down menu under Groups. There is an information pop-up which tells you how to add more groups if relevant. In case you've selected the wrong group, you can always remove them by clicking the cross next to their name. Next, select the skill, or skills, you'd like your learners to reflect on. By default, all 8 essential skills are pre-selected. But you can cross off any of them, in case you're only focusing on just one or a small selection of skills. In case you've accidentally removed a skill, you can always add it back in, either by selecting it from the drop-down menu, or by typing its first couple of letters. Finally, click Add, and that's it. A green banner will appear briefly in the top right corner, to show this was successful. If your learners have joined the group or groups you selected, they will instantly receive an automated email called, "Your group admin has set a new assessment period." This email will notify them of the assessment period dates and focus skills, and encourage them to visit Benchmark to get started. Feel free to create more assessment periods if needed. The most recent one will appear at the top of the list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video on how to set an assessment period for your learners on Skills Builder Benchmark.